From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Caitlin McElwain. The Boone County Sheriff's Office recently constructed a $20 million regional training center. As KBIA's Casper Dowdy reports, the focus of the facility will be experiential learning.
During the pandemic, law enforcement agencies shifted away from in-person role-play training to online training. Boone County Sheriff Dwayne Carey says that's a problem for police officers who rely on hands-on practice to know how to respond in an emergency. At the new center, officers from around mid-Missouri will have access to tools such as virtual reality, staged rooms meant to simulate situations in homes, and a jiu-jitsu gym. Carey says he hopes that situational training limits the number of mistakes officers make.
I always say to give them something to draw from their training that they can then use in the field.
The public can tour the new facility Saturday. I'm Casper Dowdy, KBIA News.
Missouri is the second least burdened state in the country when it comes to unpaid family caregiving. That's according to a new analysis by CareScout, an aging care services company. The study ranks Missouri among the top states for Medicaid-funded home care. Marlena Del Haro is CareScout's Director of Operational Growth.
When you look at the population of folks using that those Medicare services, they're able to actually use that service.
Missouri also scored well for having fewer caregivers living in multi-generational households, but advocates say the ranking overlooks strict Medicaid income limits that leave many older Missourians relying on unpaid family caregivers. The Missouri legislative session is underway, and as Lily Halloran reports from Jefferson City, property tax relief is a priority for Missouri Senate Republicans.
Senator Tony Luetkemeyer says real estate property tax relief was the number one issue at the Republican State Caucus retreat in November.
No one should be taxed out of their home by government. This concern has united our caucus and has also drawn bipartisan support based on some of the bills that have been pre-filed.
Luetkemeyer says rising assessments and higher property taxes are becoming unsustainable for Missourians, especially seniors and working families. In Jefferson City, I'm Lily Halloran.
More than 200 people in Kansas City braved a cold rain last night to protest the fatal shooting of a former Kansas City woman by an Immigration and Customs Enforcement agent.
We will not put up with this! We will not put up with this!
Shelley Rogers was holding a sign about Renee Good, the woman who was killed in Minneapolis on Wednesday.
I feel like I'm everyone, you know what I mean? I'm an immigrant. I'm trans. I'm not, but I'm trans. You know what I mean? Anybody who's getting attacked, I feel it.
Other protesters called for an end to ICE and said they are stepping up efforts in Kansas City to monitor agents going after immigrants. Another protest is set for tomorrow at the plaza. I'm Caitlin McElwain, KBIA News, Columbia.